Welcome back, everybody. So recently we took a little trip to Florida, and we had the privilege to go down and revisit where we was where Hurricane Ian hit. I wanted to put together something, an update on what's going on today there, as everybody's trying to rebuild. A lot of lives was lost there. I mean, if you guys watched the first one there, it was horrible. I mean, you could literally smell death in the air. It was something else to see. But anyways, I wanted to just put this together. You don't hear much about it anymore. I think it's something that's important for people to, to kind of, I don't know how you would put it, like not pay tribute, but, at least kind of support what's going on in the world, with how everybody's trying to rebuild. A lot of those insurance companies, they didn't help them people. And you do make a decision when you move down there. That's comes with the nature of it, but still, it's a horrible thing when you see. I got a friend that lives in Florida. He moved down there years ago, and there was just last year, whatever that one was there. But anyways, his whole home flooded. He was getting ready to have a graduation party for his, I think it was his daughter or son. I can't remember which one, but he made a little video on Facebook, and it was so sad. He was walking through the house, and it was water up to his knees. Everything was just damaged, and he just didn't know what to say or what he was going to do, as if I or any of us would, what would you do about that, Sorry guys, I decided to use my GoPro today, and wouldn't you know it, 100% battery when I started 2 seconds ago, dead. Anyways, I put another one in it. Hopefully I can get through this intro here. So anyways, long story short, we had the opportunity to go down there, and they had an Ohio Day thing like 10 minutes from it there, and we decided to go back through it and just kind of see what was going on there and what was rebuilt, what was what. But it's crazy if you go back and watch the other one of what had happened and compare to how they have it today, what they did rebuild, what they didn't, what they can't rebuild, and just kind of compare and see what's going on there. And these people are all working together. They're cleaning up I'm sure after that happened, they all went through and cleaned up first and got rid of whatever the terrible stuff was, and now they're just building. Some of the things I've seen, like a few of the homes now, they're on, I think it's changed now how you have to rebuild that stuff, the stilts that go in the ground, and how they was when they come down back then. So they do improve over the years, but when something like that comes through, guys, that's just so terrible and so powerful. What are you going to do? It's a bad deal. There was big boats, like ships, washed up flipped upside down and washed up way like where you would never think they would be. So that thing was dragging them things around from the ocean clear to far from the ocean, way up here on the land somewhere in the neighborhood, like big ships, But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. I wanted to put it together for you guys. Some people can't get down there to see something like this or revisit it, and it was hard getting in and out. There's only one way in and out still, and it's real slow over that bridge. It takes like 30 minutes to get in, and it went out a little quicker, but getting in was slow. Like I said, I just wanted to put something together there for everybody to kind of check out what's going on. And I myself, I hate seeing stuff like this. So now I go back and see what's going on, and it's great to see what people can come together and do when people come together, what they can do. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy this, and sit back, relax, and check it out. Tell me what you think. Alright guys, we're back down here where Hurricane Ian was. This is the same place we was walking if you go back and watch that video. Actually, I'm walking on sand right now where there was probably stuff buried. But I wanted to come back and show you what it looks like since then. Yeah, if you go back in that video, you could probably compare it to what it used to look like. Like over here, there was like mobile homes, like smashed and buried, and this used to be the road right here where we're getting ready to walk on right here. Actually, we walked around back here. I think we walked around back here, and then all that stuff over there had stuff that was, and I think when we came here, there was, the body counts was still not all accounted for. So there might have been people still buried in this stuff at that point until they started getting all the rubbish out of here. But it's crazy how something can just destroy something so bad so quick. But these people are rebuilding pretty good out here. I'm gonna try to show you like different sections coming in and out of here. It's kind of busy through here, but where you know, people are rebuilding stuff. But yeah, check all this out. Yeah, this is exactly where we got out and walked around. It was the difference when we walked out in it before, it just seemed like strange and quiet and kind of, I forget what I said in the video, but like you could just tell that there was death upon air. It was strange. But look at, I don't even think they're gonna rebuild all this. This is probably done, but they're cleaning it. Like this thing here, they're rebuilding some of that. Some of these are people's houses back here. I think we walked down that side road over there because they was hit pretty good too. But all right, we're gonna like I said, go up and down through here to show you guys the difference and what it looked like since then. Try to get a little bit of footage on it. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed all that. It was just something short and simple. I wanted you guys to just see, you know, what I got to see compared to what it was when we went down when all the disaster was there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll get back to our normal videos here next week. I'm working on some of that stuff, trying to get it all going. I had to go back to work, so they was short a bunch of guys, so she asked me to come back and help out. So I'm trying to do that and do this and do that, everything I've been trying to do. But yeah, next week we'll get back on the groove of things, and we'll probably be getting back into the Planish hammer one, the last one of those. We got it all finished up. Now we're just, in the last video, we're going to take it apart and powder coat it and get it all put back together and finished. I got a really cool one. I can't wait to show you guys what we're going to build after that one. It's going to be pretty sweet. So thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please put something down in the comments. I'm sure the people, you know, from there and around everywhere would like to hear what everybody thinks about the outcome of all of it. So thanks again, guys, for everything, and we'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And put something down in the comments, won't you?